Hello YouTubers! Today I finished the repair here and this is how it looks. I am going to work more on this part here to weld some pieces there, and also down here the metal is very thin in some spots, so this area here is not very strong. It's a shape that I don't want to destroy, so I think I'm going to use putty over, strengthen it up that way. It's very strong now. Let's see, the welds are looking like this. I'm going to work more on the finish later, but this is my earthing spot, so I can weld with good contact. And here is one part of the floor back here that I'm going to repair next, and then after that I'm going to build the structure underneath the car. Yeah, see you in a few days again. Bye.